Welcome to House of Account. In this video we are going to see the non-profit question again, the next question of non-profit organization. Okay, so here is a question 14. From the following, prepare the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2005 and the balance sheet as on the date. So we have to prepare income and expenditure account plus balance sheet. For the closing balance sheet, we even have to prepare the opening balance sheet if it is required. Okay, so here is not mentioned, but it is given as a receive and payment account only. Okay, so to balance cash at bank and cash in hand also given. Subscription 3000 including 200 of for 2005 and 6 means 31st March we have to close, but it's a upcoming year subscription 200 is added, so we have to deduct this amount. Interest on investment, we are receiving cost of investment is 30,000, but we are receiving 1500 means as a 5% we are receiving. Bank interest 10, sale of scooter 250. Okay, bank interest we have receiving. Salaries, printing, rent, printing, stationery, postage, bicycle purchase 95, plain bond 680. Okay, this is the income expenditure account for the year and name is not given. Plain bond how much? 680. Balance carried on cash, closing cash is given. This cash will come into the closing balance sheet and this cash and bank will come in opening balance sheet. Some adjustments also given. Subscription include rupees 120 for 2003 to 2004 means previous year. Subscription already 120 rupees is included in this subscription, so it is belong to last year, so we have to deduct from subscription in income and expenditure account. Also rent include 50 paid for March 2004 means last year rent is paid here. Okay, so we have to deduct this 50 from rent also for March 2004. Subscription amounting to rupees 150 are still to be collected for the year 2004 and 5 means present year subscription we have pending, so we have to receive. Rent for March 2005 rupees 50 is still to be paid means 50 rupees is still to be paid as a outstanding rent, and rupees 25 are outstanding against stationery and bill. Okay, so we have stationery and bill outstanding. The book value of the scooter was 320 book value means we have sale 250 book value means definitely there is a loss of 70 rupees. Okay, so let's start income and expenditure account. Let's take first expenditures. Okay, salaries how much? 3600. Okay, for any adjustment right here draw one detail column. Okay, so how much is salary? 3600 is a salary amount. Now go for after salary. Rent is 600, so rent take inside inner column because we have adjustment on it. Next after rent take printing stationery 145, so we have adjustment on printing and stationery also. Okay, before that let's go to one thing. Let's finish this one first. Okay, so let's finish this one. Okay, after rent expenses is 145, printing is and stationery expenses. Postage is 25, for postage charges right outside 25. Next after postage bicycle purchase, bicycle is assets, plain bond is assets, then balance carried on will come in balance sheet. Now go for receipt income, cash and bank is a come in balance sheet only. Subscription overall 3000, 200 of upcoming year, so only we have to take entry relating to current year only, so last year next year we have to deduct. So overall subscription 3000, but here last year subscription is upcoming year 2005 to 2006 subscription. Okay, next year, so right here next year. how much we have to deduct this 200. Okay, next, interest on investment is overall how much? Interest on bank interest on investment. So directly write outside 1500 interest on investment. Okay, next, bank interest how much? 10. So write bank interest 10. Next, sale of scooter. Okay, so let's calculate the sale of scooter. Okay, we will come to this point, sale of scooter, later. Subscription include 120 for last year, so we have to deduct this amount also. Okay, last year subscription means, for example, 2003 to 2004, last year how much? 150. Okay, what we have to pay for last subscription? Sorry, 120 last year. Okay, subscription last year. Rent include 50 paid for March 2004, means last year. So how much rent? We have to deduct this amount because it's related to last year. Okay, 2003 to 2004, last year. How much? 50. Next, subscription amounting rupees 150 are still to be collected, means we have to collect 150 current year subscription. Add, subscription is a income. Okay, 2004 to 2005, current year. Okay, current year. All right, how much? 150. So directly write 150. Okay, next, rent. Okay, 150. Rent for March 2005, present year rent 50 is still to be paid, means present year rent also we have to pay. So add this entry, 2004 to 2005, outstanding rent. Okay, directly write here how much is the rent still to be paid for March is 50. So 50 is still to be paid, and 25 are outstanding against stationery. So right here 25 are outstanding. Outstanding means presently we have to pay this amount. Okay, 2000. Okay, what we have to do is 2005, sorry, 4 to 2005. Okay, outstanding current year, how much outstanding is? 25 is outstanding, means 25 we have to pay 25. So now the book value. Okay, the final entry, book value of the scooter was 375. Okay, postage we have already taken. Here write 320 is a book value, and we have sale as a 250 here. So minus 250. So 70 is a loss. If it is profit, it will come in income side. If it is loss, it will come in expenses side. So all entries are over. So now calculate. Okay, here is a rent till here. 50 is a deducted till here is a 600 only, and this two will continue to 145, 150, 160, 170, overall 170. Okay, so write subscription amount also, otherwise we can do like this for more clear information. Okay, so this is how you can do. Okay, all right. Okay, so these are the entries. So what we have to do, we have to do this, we have to deduct 320. Okay, so let's do on calculator. It's easy, but I'll show you on calculator. Minus 320 plus 150, 2830. So right here 2830, 2830. Now add all income. 2830 plus 10 plus 1500. Okay, how much we are getting? 4340. Let's see, here is amounts are showing something. So income we have 4340. So let's calculate this one. 3600 plus 600 plus 170 plus 25 70, 4690. So we are getting 4340. So 4006, how much we are getting? Expenses are more, 4690. Incomes are less, so by deficit will come. Okay, let's see. 4690 minus 2830 minus 10 minus 1500 means 350. Maybe we are getting some 1500. Okay, just a moment, maybe we are getting missing this one. 3600 plus 600 plus 170 plus 25 plus 70, 4690 we are getting. 70, 25, 170, 600, 3600. Okay, 2830, 10 and 1500 only. Okay, let's wait a moment. Here let's calculate one more time. 3600 plus 600 plus 170 plus 25 plus 70. Okay, calculation mistake, 4465 is there. Sorry, 4465, this one 4465. Okay, now delete this one. Minus 2830 minus 10 minus 1500. How much? 125 is a deficit. Deficit means losses. Okay, so right here loss. Okay, this is a deficit amount, loss amount. Now let's calculate the opening balance sheet. We have to come from the top. Okay, receive amount. Bank how much? 455, cash 55. So this will come in opening balance sheet, closing amount will come in closing balance sheet. So 455 and 55. So write cash 55, bank 455. Next, see subscription, this one is next year upcoming. Interest, cost of investment how much? 30,000. So right here there is an investment, that is 30,000 investment. Okay, after paying this 30,000 investment, okay, bank's interest how much? 10. Sale of scooter, presently we have sold, but earlier it was 322. So right here, oh okay, sorry, by mistake I have put in closing balance sheet. So right here, first bank 455, then cash 55, then investment 30,000. Okay, scooter how much? 320 is a scooter. Okay, okay, 320 is a scooter amount. Here salary, rent, printing, stationery, postage, we have this one, we have purchased in current year, bond also current year. These are in closing balance sheet. Subscription, for last year subscription 120 we have pending, we have to receive that amount, so that will come here, 120 last year subscription. Next, rent include 50 for last year, so outstanding rent was 50. Okay, let's see any other entries. These are current pending entries. Okay, current year subscription 150, these are all our current year entries. So let's calculate this one. So right here 455 plus 55 plus 30,000 plus 320 plus 120, overall 30,950. So right here 30,950. Okay, so if 30,950 means 30,900, 30,900, 30,950. Okay, so this capital fund transfer to here. Okay, but before that what we have to do, we have to prepare a detail column to add the entries. Okay, how much capital fund? 30,900. What we have to do, we have to add income or delete deficit amount, expenses amount. Okay, let's first arrange this proper way. Okay, capital fund is 30,900, deficit is 125. Deficit means loss. Okay, loss how much? Right here in bracket 125. Okay, now let's start from here. Receipt and payment for current year entries. Let's start with the receipt amount. These are opening cash, we have already taken. Subscription 3,000. Next upcoming year subscription we have received this year only, current year. Okay, the upcoming subscription we have received here only, so we have received in advance, that is 200. So right, subscription advance 200, outer column. Okay, next, after subscription advance, interest on investment, cost of investment how much? 3,000. So right here investment how much? 30,000, sorry. 30,000 investment. Next, bank interest we have taken, sale of scooter also taken. Now payment side, salaries is taken, rent taken, printing stationery, poster also taken. Bicycle 95. Okay, bicycle is assets, so right here bicycle 95. Then bond is plain bonds also purchased 680. 680 bond means securities. Bond is also known as securities. After that, plain bond also purchased. Closing cash amount means this interest will come in closing balance sheet. Cash 12, bank 113. So right here cash 12, bank 113. Okay, next entries. So these receipt entries we have already taken. So subscription is belong to last year, rent also belong to last year, paid for March 2004. Subscription amounting to 150 are still to be collected, so we have to collect 150 as a subscription for current year. So right here outstanding subscription means pending subscription 150 we have to receive. So outstanding subscription for 2004 to 2005 means current year we have pending. Okay, after subscription. Okay, rent for March 2005 50 is still to be paid. Outstanding rent we have to pay the rent. So right here 50 rupees rent outstanding. And printing stationery also there, 25 outstanding against stationery. So right here 25 against stationery, it's 25. Yeah, it is 25 against the stationery. So all the entries are over here. We have also transferred this capital fund and surplus. Now calculate this one. Okay, calculate this amount, 30,900 minus 125. Okay, so right here 30,775, 30,775. Okay, now add all the credit liabilities amount, plus 25 plus 50 plus 200, overall how much? 31,050. So right here 31,050. See whether it is 31,050. Here 31,050 is a balance sheet closing, so we got 31,050 is the answer, total balance sheet amount. So tally this one, 12, 1, 13, 12 plus 13 plus 30,000 plus 680 plus 95 plus 150. Overall 31,050 is the answer. This is how we have to calculate the closing balance sheet, and this one is the opening balance sheet. These are the income expenditure accounts. Okay, it's a very easy question. If you want more question related to non-profit organization, you can go to House of Accounts. There is a playlist that is known called House of Accounts. You can go for more videos regarding non-profit organizations.